Let me show you how my dad makes my favorite chicken curry. To start, we're gonna finely chop 200 grams red onion, cut 450 grams tomatoes into small dice, then mince 20 grams ginger, 20 grams garlic, and thinly slice 20 grams green chillies. Then in a large pot, heat 75 milliliters vegetable oil over a medium heat, and once the oil is hot, add 1.5 teaspoons cumin seeds, 1 large cinnamon stick, and 2 bay leaves. Then saute them for a minute until they start sizzling. Then add the onions, ginger, garlic, chilies, about 1 sprig of curry leaves, and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Then cook until the onion is golden brown. Once the onion is golden brown, add 1 kilogram bone-in chicken thighs that are cut into medium-sized pieces and cook them for about 5 to 6 minutes until they are slightly brown. Then add 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1.5 teaspoons ground cumin, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons fine sea salt, and then the tomatoes. Then give it all a good stir, cover the pot with the lid, and let it simmer for about 40 minutes over a medium heat until the chicken is soft and tender. And after 40 minutes it should be ready. Just give it a taste to adjust the salt level. Then serve it with some basmati rice, sprinkle some chopped cilantro, and eat this thing.